For problem numbers 6 and 8, you'll need to know the information that I gave you in the videos for problem numbers 2 and 4. You have to be able to find and classify the discontinuities. So in order to do that, for numbers 6 and 8, actually our goal is to find the vertical asymptotes of the graph of each rational function. So in order to find the vertical asymptotes, we have to find the discontinuities first. And in order to do that, we have to factor the denominator, x plus 3 times x plus 2, and then since the numerator is already factored, we have the ability to check these factors to see if we can cancel any of the factors. So in the first two videos for numbers 2 and 4, we classified the discontinuities. So we have discontinuities of x equals -3 and x equals -2. These are the two real numbers that make these factors equal to 0. -3 makes the first factor equal to 0, and -2 makes the second factor equal to 0. Because -2 plus 2 is 0, -3 plus 3 is 0. So since these are the discontinuities, the question is, are they removable or are they non-removable? Well, this is a review from numbers 2 and 4. Since we can't cancel any of these factors, they are non-removable. And so each one of these factors is non-removable, and in a rational function, if you get a discontinuity that's non-removable, then x equals each of those numbers are what we call the vertical asymptotes. So it's automatically a vertical asymptote. So therefore, vertical asymptotes are x equals -3 and x equals -2. Make sure that when you list the vertical asymptotes, as well as any asymptotes, you always list them as an equation. Never just put -3 and -2. -3 and -2 are numbers. Asymptotes are lines. Vertical asymptotes are vertical lines, and vertical lines have equations, which are right here. X equals -3 and x equals -2. I could probably fit the solution for number 8 into this same video, so let's go ahead and do that. Again, we're trying to find vertical asymptotes. We're gonna factor the denominator. X looks like it's x plus 3 times x minus 1. The numerator doesn't factor, so therefore we can't cancel a factor. So we can go right to the answer here. The vertical asymptotes are x equals -3 and x equals +1, because just to recap, x equals -3 is a discontinuity that's non-removable, and we know now that any discontinuity in a rational function that is non-removable is the equation of the vertical asymptotes. So that's it.